Hello everyone, in today's video I'm excited to show you how to delete an organization in Supabase. First, open your web browser and go to supabase.com. Log into your account and then click on the dashboard button in the top right corner. You will be redirected to the Your Organization page. Click on the organization you want to delete. Next, expand the left sidebar and select Organization Settings. In the organization settings, scroll down to the Danger Zone section, where you will find the option to delete your organization. However, please understand the consequences. Deleting this organization will also remove all its projects. Make sure you have backed up your projects if you want to keep your data. Finally, click the red Delete Organization button. You will be prompted to confirm your deletion. Simply copy the provided codes and paste them into the input box. After that, click on I understand, delete this organization, and your organization will be deleted successfully. This is how you can delete an organization in Supabase. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more informative content.